In small and medium-sized businesses, staying ahead of the competition is crucial. That's why 50% of businesses leverage marketing automation software to send targeted emails, send drip campaigns, enhancing customer engagement and boosting sales. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right automation tool for your business? Say no more. The Yournotify marketing automation tool is all you need right now. Imagine sending your customers personalized emails that address them by name, offer customized recommendations based on past purchases, and send targeted offers. Business can also set up automated workflows that trigger personalized emails based on predefined conditions and customers' actions. Yournotify marketing automation tool empowers businesses to connect, engage, and convert their audience like never before. And guess what? We have comprehensive analytics and insights that you can use to monitor campaign performance in real time, refine messaging, and achieve better results.